This is a really nice and convenient solar panel kit. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. If you're looking for a solar panel kit for your RV, for camping, for your car, or even your boat, this could be the kit for you. This is a 20-watt solar panel. It has enough power to keep those 12-volt batteries charged. Inside the box, you will find the solar panel, the controller, some mounting screws, some cables, and an adjustable bracket. The bracket is really nice. It makes it so you can prop this up or mount it just about anywhere you need to. One of our favorite uses for this is for our RV. With the 12-volt battery charged, we can run all the lights inside our RV without any issues. The controller for this solar panel actually has a lot of safety systems in place to protect the batteries that you are charging with it. It has a reverse current protection, an overload protection, and a short circuit protection. I think my favorite feature of the solar panel is the 360-degree adjustable stand. It's easy to tilt, it's easy to move the solar panel, so you're always getting the most amount of light possible to keep your batteries charged. I also want to point out that the panels are weatherproof as well. If you're looking for a convenient solar panel kit to charge those 12-volt batteries, we highly recommend this.